Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2015 model Porsche Macan S, 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission with paddle shifters, 20,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 2,780,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 1,175,820 pesos. (2017 model Mercedes-Benz G500 G-Wagon, 4x4, 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 gasoline, automatic transmission, 25,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 8,880,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 3,463,620 pesos. (2019 model Ferrari 488 Spider loaded, local purchase, top-down convertible, 3.9-liter V8 twin-turbocharged gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 13,000 kilometers mileage, cash price, 20,780,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 11,843,000 pesos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.